in the winter wind, lost in the winter wind. Beneath a pale and wistful stars gleam, I wander out where shadow meets dream. The whisper of a love now faded and thin murmurs like snowflakes upon my skin. In the hush of twilight's gentle refrain, the echoes of passion dissolve into pain, a fragile ember